Hi children, welcome back to the biology class. In the last class we discussed about crop improvement methods. Today we are going to discuss about crop management methods. Number 1, irrigation. Irrigation is the practice supplying of water to the plants. Government of India constructed many irrigation projects across the country. From 2014, Government of Telangana focusing on irrigation projects in the name of Mission Kakatiya. Very recently, the government of Telangana completed the largest lift irrigation project, Kaleshwaram. Here my question is, what does a plant do with water? Yes, water is a important factor for growth and development of the plant. Plants absorb water from the soil and carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, and by presence of light they prepare food material in the form of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are complex sugar compounds. So using water and carbon dioxide by presence of light, making of food in the form of carbohydrates called photosynthesis. 260 grams of carbon dioxide require 100 grams of water to produce 180 grams of sugar in the form of glucose. Plants utilize just 0.1 percentage of water from absorbed amount of water. So remaining large amount of water the plant lose in the form of vapor. So loss of water in the form of vapor is called transpiration. What we call transpiration. So loss of water from the leaf is called transpiration. Here minute openings called stomata helps in exchange of gases as well as loss of water in the form of vapor. So the water also important for absorption of mineral elements from the soil. So the plant growth development not only depends on water, it also depends on mineral nutrients. So water also helps to plant for absorption of minerals from the soil. I hope that you understood about irrigation and important role of water in plant to day life. In the next video, we are going to discuss about plant nutrients. Thank you all.